Hello, my name is Cesar, and today I'd like to talk about Busuu.com. First of all, let me explain a little bit what is Busuu. Busuu is a social network for learning languages. It is based on a freemium business model. This means that you can use it free, and if you like it, you can upgrade your account to the premium version that offers extra features. First thing we do is Google Busuu like that. We click on it. Mm, the free version is very useful nonetheless. Dear audience, this is Busuu. As you see, you can now download the applications, although I rather suggest using the computer version than the apps. Anyway, you should try both and see what you prefer. Currently, they offer 12 languages. Among these, you can find English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese from Brazil, Russian, Turkish, Arabic, Chinese, and Polish. As you can also see from the very beginning at the interface, you can pick up the language you want to look the whole website. Alright, let's log in. The first thing is click in here. You can use your Gmail account or Facebook account and your personal password like that. Then we log in. The languages I am learning beside English are French and Italian. Alright, this is the dashboard. Here you can see my Spanish. Here you can see my Spanish 3, which means that I'm native Spanish speaker. You can also see some apples that I've won from helping other users with some corrections, and you also see my Italian 3. When you start a language, it's very small, but don't worry, it will grow after you do some exercises. First peculiar characters you see in my garden. I'm talking about the dog, the alien, the butterfly, the squirrel. There are some gifts that I received also for practicing although you can buy them with the Busuu berries in here. These Busuu berries you receive from all your activities or from other users. As I said before, this is a network, so in here you can see the requests from the friendship requests, the messages and the inbox for the talks you keep, and finally the notifications. And in here, this is the chat. I'm going to choose the option away in order to be able to explain you and no chat with anyone. Let's now go to the lesson. In the below bar you have lessons, corrections, vocabulary and me. Let's choose a lesson. Let's go to elementary A2. Click on it. Right, let's do it from here. As you see, there is a topic in here, lesson 2, yesterday. Learn how to talk about completed events in the past. We are going to choose this one. What do you do in class? As you can see, there is a word in Italian which means that has the translation below, which means to explain. And below this there is an example of the word in context. Then you click next. After you have seen the picture and the sentence, you also can listen here, and then you click. You do the same with the word, and you go next. Then we arrive to this stage in which they will ask you what's the meaning of the word. So if you remember, spiegare means to explain, so that would be correct. So you go next. It'll be the same. To make a mistake, to ask, to revise. Then they will ask, and we will pick the one. So we then click next. To read, to write, to study, to read. Alright, next. To do an exercise, to do an exam, to pass an exam. To do an exercise, alright, perfect. To fail, to recede, to learn. Now we have this different activity, which is drag the words onto the correct translation. So we need to remember three of them. Imparare, which means to learn, bocciare, which means to fail, and ripetere, which means to repeat. Sorry. Then we submit, and the correction. The program have also this dialogue in order to see the words we have already learned in here. So as you can see, there is the dialogue in here. And if you're a beginner, you can also click the translation, and they will show you the translation, the respect translation that you need. Then we keep continue. Then we, after having read the dialogue, we fulfill this. We fill the gaps in here. Sorry. It will be like that. It will be like that. And finally that will be this. Alright, submit, done. I also wanted to show you there is also a place in which we write things, and some native speakers correct that from. So we now go to the correction. I have in here an exercise that I wrote some days ago, and as you can see in here, this was where I wrote, and then the corrections made by my friend Umberto, and in here by Vito Petros. So then you can also give your feedback. My favorite part is the chat, because you can have real talks and you can make friends and let a lot about other cultures. But if you click here, you can look for someone who wants to talk and practice language with someone who needs help with your native tongue. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it. Bye.